Alright guys, today we're making Eddo and shrimp curry. So I'll start off with my garlic. And onion. And pepper. Eddo is one of my favorites. Both of them taste pretty good. Eddo or shrimp by itself. And I have some jeera, curry powder, masala, and turmeric in here. As you can see, I'm not using too much today, just a little bit. So I'll mix this up with some water. And I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Wonder if it said Italian, that's why it looks like a lot of oil in there, but there's not a lot. Now I'll throw in my paste in here. They have a few different kinds of Eddo. There's another smaller one than this one here. And it's really sweet. It's very, very sweet. Sweeter than this bigger size. You can hardly find it now these days. So I have some shrimps in here. I fry it up a little bit and wash it really clean. I love the way the Indians cook their curry, the shrimp's curry. It tastes phenomenal. Really, really tasty, very tasty. They put all kinds of spices inside. And actually, this is Indian Eddo that I'm using from India. I bought it at the Asian store, the Indian store. Sometimes you get it and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get good ones, sometimes you get bad ones. And these are my Eddos. It looks really, really delicious, really nice. So I'll add all this stuff in here. All the Eddos. Eddos is very good for you. I'm not sure. I think it have a lot of iron, vitamins. These days you have to watch where you're buying your products from, your vegetables, because they have so much chemicals that they use. Like for example, the egg store that's going on right now. The chickens them don't lay eggs because of the feed that they eat, the food that they feed them. whatever chemical is inside react to the chickens, no eggs. So I'll let this bunje for 7 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and check it. This is a very easy and simple, delicious recipe. So it's been 4 to 5 minutes. I didn't add any water. I just let it bunje. And you can see it's a little different color. That's because I didn't add too much curry powder and jeera and all that good stuff, turmeric. I just did it a little. I like to try different ways and see how it will come out. Put in some shallot, green onion, and I'll let this bunje up for another 3-4 minutes because I want these Eddo to boil. Really good. And I'll be back. Alright. It smells really, really good. The shrimp smells amazing. I'm putting in some black pepper. Crushed pepper. Guys, this crushed pepper is very spicy and delicious. And I'll add salt. I can't wait to eat this here. You can eat it with roti, bread, naan, chapati, rice. I'm gonna have it with rice. I'll let it cook for another 3 minutes and check it back again. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have some hot water warming up here, and I'll add a little bit more. You can see the onion, the garlic, some pepper, some scallions. I have a lot of spices inside. It smells really, really good. So I'll cover this up and let it cook. Very easy, simple recipe, guys. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to the channel, please do so. Thank you. Alright, so here is the Eddo with chicken, lamb curry, duck curry. So today I choose to make Eddo and shrimps. These are Atlantic's wild caught shrimps. I love it. And the Eddo is boiled. You can see there. That's all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. See you guys in the next video.